सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis sitting with us around the world at this moment. 696 places through NTV, 25 places two-way Nayana Diksha, in 198 cities in 21 countries. See, when I say all this natural calamity happens because of God, you don't have much problem in accepting it. See, there are only 4 things in the world. 1, your individual self and the human society, nature and God, the whole. If I say all the confusion and problem inside you happens because of God, you don't have a problem in believing it. If I say all the natural calamities happen, all individual calamities, natural calamities happen because of God, you don't have a problem in believing it. Because you don't know the cause of both. Anything you don't know, putting it on God is easy for you. But if I say, all the man-made calamities are also created by God, you have a difficulty in believing it. It's very difficult for you. You have a lot of difficulty. But unless you know the reason for all possible so-called chaos, see, whatever you think as chaos, either you should understand it is not chaos, or you should understand God is the reason for this chaos. Only then you will stop bothering about the outer world chaos and start attending to the inner world order. Very beautifully, Ramana Maharshi says, somebody asked him, Bhagavan, if God is taking care of everything, He is responsible for everything, why are we working? Why should we do tapas? He says, God is taking care of everything. The statement is made as technique, not as fact. At some point, you need to use that at least as a technique to relax, to come to the restful awareness, to come to terms with reality. In this verse, Bhagavan says, all the confusion in human society is based because of this 4 division. peculiar attributes and performance of people. There are some people who always choose money as the end of life, goal of life, as a ultimate security. There are some people who choose power as the goal of life. There are some people who choose spiritual strength as goal of life. There are some people who choose confusion as the goal of life. There are different types, kinds of people who choose different things as goal of life. Based on what they feel as goal of life. How much ever you learn, sometime when there's a crisis, you tend to feel money is the security because practical. Now I need. How much ever you learn the lesson, you miss it. It is not going to be the security. Finally, you neither get the money nor have the master. When you give up, the spiritual solution, I tell you, for every problem, spiritual solution is the answer. Coming to terms with the reality. There is no shortcut. Be very clear. When reality hits you, do not take shelter under money or power or confusion. If you take shelter under money, you are a Vaishya. If you take shelter under power, you are a Kshatriya. If you take shelter under confusion, you are a Shudra. Choose spiritual knowledge, spiritual strength. You will be a Brahmana. I tell you, every time when you choose spiritual strength, not only you are avoiding confusion and suffering, you are growing. Life is for growth. Whoever uses every opportunity in the life for growth is God, Deva. Whoever misses every opportunity in life for growth is a demon, Rakshasa. There's no other difference. Every day when life hits you, when there is confusion, when there is suffering, when there is cornering, if you take confusion as your path, you become demon, devil. Take spiritual strength as your path, spiritual knowledge as your path. Bhagavan is saying, even the man-made social calamities, because of the four classifications, fourfold class among human beings. Please understand, It is not restricted to Vedic tradition or India. This four varna, this fourfold class exists all over the world. People who believe money as their life, Wall Street. People who believe power as their life, Capitol Hill. People who believe spiritual knowledge as their life, Biddi. People who believe confusion as their life, all over the world. Exists all over. This fourfold class exists all over. Understand, the whole humanity is just under this fourfold. When Bhagavan takes the responsibility for this fourfold and all the confusions caused by this fourfold, you should stop blaming anybody. That is what it means. Understand? Now Bhagavan says, I create this whole confusion. Means, he says, stop blaming anybody. Stop suffering because of this confusion. Bhagavan says very clearly, nobody is responsible now. Look inside you. Instead of blaming anything else, please understand. Nobody needs to be blamed. Don't you see? Only when you understand this fourfold, even the social calamities are God-made. You relax, settle down from all the sufferings, the mental torture you go through. So there is a reason and purpose with which even this fourfolded class was created. As Bhagavan says, even if I am the doer, I am above the doership. Experience me above the doership, you will realize you above the doership. See, trusting me as above the action and body-based reaction makes you believe you also have that part in you. Yet to realize, but you have it. When you don't trust, I don't have the space which is above action and reaction, you will also not be able to trust you also have that space above action and reaction. No, these are all ordinary, body level only. Then come on, you also don't have anything higher in you. It is give and take. Give devotion, take devotion. Give knowledge, take knowledge. When you give devotion to the other person, you take the same devotion towards your own inner self. When you can't attribute higher truths to the Guru, you can't experience the truths inside you. in all of us. All these fourfold mental patterns exist. Looking money as the solution, looking power as the solution, looking confusion as the solution, looking spiritual truth as the solution. All of us have all the four patterns in us. You understand? When there is a problem comes, you feel people who have money are winners of the game. Come on, let me have it. People who have power, they win the game. Come on, let me have it. No, there is no such clear thing. It's all confusion. Or no, there is a clear spiritual order. Let me get the depth, get to the bottom of the spiritual order. What is your pattern when you are hit, when you face life? Decides whether you are a Brahmana, or a Vaishya, or a Kshatriya, or Shudra. It has nothing to do with your birth. It has nothing to do with your father, mother. It has nothing to do with your bringing up. It has nothing to do with anything other than your mental pattern. Man who is beyond all the four mental patterns, even if he is the doer, he should be realized as a being above the doership, as the eternal self. Bhagavan says, even though I play with all four mental patterns at times, I am above all the mental patterns, beyond all the mental patterns. Above the doership as eternal self. I am a man who always goes for spiritual solution. Not only makes his life ultimate, he raises the life of the people who are around him. Constantly raising yourself through spiritual solution for every problem, and constantly exciting yourself through the spiritual entertainment in every step. I'll continue on this verse in the next satsangs. I bless you all who are sitting with us around the world at this moment. 1082 places through NTV, 25 places two-way Nayana Diksha, in 262 cities in 25 countries. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.